I'll tell you this, a lot of people don't understand, may not understand that, in Tennessee we've got several courts that have different jurisdictions. What's being described by the caller is something that happened most likely in General Sessions Court, which is all claims under $25,000. Small claims court, typically you see your detainer actions, which is where people don't pay their rent or something happens and they're getting evicted. That's generally where that happens, or like the caller described, that's where small claims go in, and as he described, it looks like he got a default judgment against him, and as Dino correctly said, you can file some stuff to set that aside and explain, well, I just didn't get it and there's been a mistake here, I want to remedy that. You need a lawyer to do that. So you have sessions courts, then you have circuit courts. In circuit courts, you typically see your car wrecks, you see your divorces, you see large contractual matters going on in circuit courts. And circuit courts are where you're generally going to get your jury trials. And then you have chancellery courts. Chancellery courts, as Dino described, are typically those courts where you do wills and estates, probates, and then you get into these things called equity at law. Well, what happened wasn't right, and we need somebody to work this out for us, and there comes the chancellor. And as Dino described, these courts exist in all of our counties in some form or fashion, and they're difficult to find sometimes, so you got to go looking around the courthouse, but they're there.